Okay, I wanted to show you guys what I've been using here lately for some landing pads for my drone. Now, I just found these at Walmart the other day. So this is a 4-pack of foam mats, and they're about $15. Now, they can all lock together, but all you really need is just one of them because they're 2 by 2 feet. So you don't really need anything bigger than that. And you also get 4 different colors. Now you can't fold these, but you know, they're light and durable, and depending on the area that you're going to be on, you can pick you know, a different color. So if you're on the grass, you know, you don't want a green, maybe grab a yellow one, and you know, for different situations you got different colors. So it's actually really handy that way. So let me just quickly here show you the different colors. So this is the package for it. Now you have a red, a bright green, the blue is bright also, and you have a yellow. Now they're meant to like lock together, but you know, you don't need anything bigger than this. So no, these work really good. If you get a chance, you're in Walmart, you know, pick them up for the price you can't lose. I mean, if you lose one, you just grab another one. So you have actually, you know, 3 backups, and I like the idea of different colors. So far I've just been using the red, but these work really good. I love these things. You know, the only negative would be that, you know, you can't fold them, so, but they're not heavy, and they're just the right size. Anything bigger would be a little bit, you know, too bulky to carry around since you can't fold it. But if you can find these, give them a try. I highly recommend them for your cheap DJI or whatever drone you have landing pad. Thanks for watching.